Hello, I'm Ronald Ficarota, Chief Judge of the 13th Judicial Circuit Court here in Hillsborough County. 2020 has been a year like no other. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, our lives and routines have changed dramatically. That's also been true here at the courthouse. Did you know that the courthouse actually never closed? We have been open, conducting hearings virtually. A very important function that we must perform cannot be done virtually. I'm referring to jury trials. The Florida Supreme Court suspended jury trials throughout the state when the pandemic began impacting the state back in March. Fortunately, our community health indicators have improved and continue to do so. The Hillsborough Clerk of Court is again issuing juror summons. The right to trial by jury is a cornerstone of our democratic form of government. Jury service is a fundamental civic responsibility, one that should be embraced. However, I do appreciate that these may be difficult times for some prospective jurors. Those who have underlying health conditions that would make service during a pandemic inadvisable may be excused. The same is true for those who care for vulnerable family members, those who may be experiencing a financial hardship, or who have child care issues. They may have their service postponed. We know that not everyone can serve, but we do seek the service of those who can. We need your support. Your health and well-being is of utmost importance to me. We have made every effort to follow protocols to maintain the safety of our courthouse visitors. Jury service and the juror experience have evolved to meet recent health standards, and that's what this video is all about. You will see how jurors will be welcomed safely and efficiently, following all CDC guidelines and protocols, and using social distancing throughout the courthouse. Before you enter the courthouse, you will experience a health screening that will include a few questions and a temperature check. Your temperature cannot be higher than 100.4 degrees. Face coverings are now required for everyone and must be worn at all times while inside the courthouse. After clearing our security screening, you will report to the jury auditorium, which is located on the second floor. You can use the stairs or the escalator. At the auditorium, show the clerk your summons so they can verify you are reporting on the correct day and time. As you proceed into the room, you will find socially distanced seating clearly marked. In fact, social distancing is required throughout the courthouse, in courtrooms, elevators, and waiting areas. One major change is jurors will now be summoned every day of the week, Monday through Friday, and in multiple shifts. Prospective jurors may be called for service at various times throughout the day. The goal is to limit the number of potential jurors present here at the courthouse at the same time of day. After each jury panel has been dismissed, the jury auditorium will be thoroughly sanitized before the next group arrives. Common areas and touch surfaces are continuously being disinfected, and hand sanitizer stations are located throughout the courthouse for your convenience and safety. In an abundance of caution, our water fountains are no longer accessible, so you may want to bring your own water. Jury service fulfills an important role in the American system of justice. The right to a trial by jury is fundamental to our democracy and guaranteed in the Sixth Amendment to our Constitution. Your jury service is a duty that you can be very proud of. Your role as a juror is just as important as the duties performed by the judge or the attorneys in the courtroom. Whether you are summoned for the grand jury or as a trial juror, the wheels of justice can't turn without your participation. I look forward to the day when we're able to put COVID-19 completely behind us. In the meantime, we're ready to safely resume jury trials, and I hope you are ready to join us. Jury service should be a rewarding and positive experience. We're going to do our part to ensure that it is. On behalf of all the judges and the staff here at the 13th Judicial Circuit, I want to offer a very sincere thank you to prospective jurors who are willing and able to serve. Be well and stay safe.